We make fun of Guy Fieri a lot on this show. And to be fair, we only do it because it's super easy and we're incredibly lazy. The latest from Fieri is from an interview he gave to the Sacramento Bee in which he was encouraging people to eat farm-fresh food, to eat seasonally, and to know where their food is coming from. Fieri went on to say in the article, and I quote, "We're trying to get people aware. You really are what you eat." Guy Fieri is a hugely popular food personality with a lot of influence over his many, many fans. So if he's got something positive to say that betters the world, it can't be that bad, right? But on the other hand, Guy seems really excited about trying to get us to buy his Philly cheesesteak egg rolls or s'mores pizzas, which I'm fairly certain were not grown on a small family farm. And while he does, I'm sure, care about making the world a healthier, happier, and better place, I'm also sure that he would like to spray us with as much Times Square donkey sauce as he possibly could. All over the face and chest area, mainly. I'm Noah Galut. Subscribe to Taste It. You can get all my donkey sauce right here on the Food Feed.